No more jumping between tabs to track the market. One smart tool show it all in one place. Welcome to the Tech Flows, and today we're gonna guide you through the Dexscreener website. Such an amazing and useful tool for trading. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribe, like and share. Let's dive in. Dexscreener.com. We're gonna enter the website. Okay, after that, at the left to the down here, you're gonna sign in with your email. So sign in with the Google. Successfully signed in. See, here is written your email. Okay, let's talk about these amazing icons up here. First one is last 24 hours tokens. You can sort it on times like last 6 hour, last hour, or even last 5 minutes. How amazing. The second tool is actually trending tokens. It's amazing, guys. Imagine you can see the last 24 hours meme coin which were trending on the market. How amazing. See, these token in last 24 hours were trending. Last 6 hour, these were trending. Last hour, these were trending. It's amazing, guys. And here are, as you can see by the name, it's top by volume or TXNs. Guys, TXNs are actually the amount of trades that token have. For example, this one had 1 million trades on it. The volume also, so top volume and top TXNs, you can also sort them. It's amazing filter. Second one is gainers. This one is also amazing and useful because you can see the last 24-hour gainers of the market, last 6-hour gainers, last hour, or even last 5 minutes. It's amazing. Okay, guys, let's talk about these icons also. So age is 19 minutes. So it's age of this meme coin been created. Price, you can see. TXNs, as I told you, are the amount of trades this meme coin had. 4,222 trades. Volume is 48K. So actually volume is the money they are putting on this meme coin. Buy or sell. They put together. Makers, guys, are the wallets that are playing with these meme coins and trading on this meme coin. So you can see the chart situation also here. In 5 minutes, this token were up for 10%, 1 hour, 1 million%, 6 hour, and so on. You can see, for example, this token in 5 minutes were 24,000%. You see, it's changing. And here at the end, we have new pairs. This is also great because you can see what are the newest thing or creating meme coin in market at the moment. So newest is literally the newest, you can see. See, 45-second year old. See, so new. 1 hour, 6 hour. You see, one of them are even less than 6 hour. 24 hour. So we are coming to the left here. These icons I'm gonna explain to you on another video and teach you even more guides and useful things about this website, because this website is very amazing and have a lot of useful things you can use. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you find it very useful. Make sure to subscribe, like and share. Have a great day.